Hey friends and family, it's Wendy Moore. I am with thewendym.moore.com and I'm here today to share with you my March unboxing video from my Young Living products. And I've got some new stuff to share. A lot of times my products are all the staples that I use on a monthly basis. But every few months I am able to get some new things to try or return to some favorites. So let's get right to it. First of all, this is my loyalty reward order. And this is one of the loyalty bundles that are available through Young Living. As a bundle, it's only available to those that are on a loyalty order, and that's a monthly order that's reoccurring that you can change out every single month, and the minimum is whatever you need. So they don't make a minimum unless you want to earn points towards getting free products. And that we can talk about at another time, but let's just start right away with our Young Living bundle for Ningxia Red. This is our liquid antioxidant. This works on every tissue site in the body. It's phenomenal. I take this every single morning. I put it in my shake, and when I feel the least bit like I'm going down under that wellness line, I start taking this like a main line. And I find that I've had excellent health, so I know it's working. So you get 4 bottles in this box, and you also get, for convenience sake, where did I put it? Travel, our Ningxia Red packets. These are 2-ounce packets, and they can be portable, so that you can drop one in a purse so that you've got an afternoon pick-me-up. Or if you don't have time in the morning to do a routine, you can always take this with you. We love them for travel. We're getting ready to go on another trip, so these will be definitely packed in our luggage. 2-ounce serving is the recommendation, but I find for maintenance, I'm able to do a 1-ounce serving. So when we travel, also for convenience sake, we share a packet every day. So that's our Ningxia Red, available as a loyalty bundle, and it is discounted off of the retail price if you were to buy these separately. Next up is one of my favorites, of course, and that's our Inner Beauty Collagen. And this is a marine collagen, so it is designed specifically for our hair and nail and skin health. If you are using a bovine, it is more for your joints, so this one is the one you want to use for this. Okay, love this. I got 4 of these this month because, as I said, we're going to be traveling and I need to take it with me because I don't ever want to be without it, and I don't want to rely on trying to get it somewhere when we're not at home. Let's see. Also, then I bought 2 bottles of our Thieves dish soap. And this is a fully concentrated product because, as I've mentioned in the past, Young Living doesn't charge us to ship water. This is so concentrated that I'm able to take this one single bottle and turn it into 4 bottles. So this 2 bottles is going to give me 8 bottles of dish soap. And if you're interested in seeing that, you can head over to thewendym.moore.com and look for my Thieves dish soap hack. And then after that, everything that I've got from this is our freebies for the month. So I received the Orange Rose Hip Black Tea, and this is infused with essential oils. I've not tried this flavor yet, so I'm really excited to try it. This was a freebie, a gift with a purchase. Also a gift with purchase is our Balance by Young Living. This is the cleanser. It's a facial product, and it smells so good. It's got its seal on it. Let's see if I can break that easily. When you want to, you can't. There we go. Just a lovely, I still can't get into it. A lovely citrus scent, and it's really great on the skin. Leaves your skin feeling moisturized. One of the things that I love about the Balance is that it's a non-mattifying, so you're not going to get those grease marks after a few hours when you're using the Balance line. Also, as a free gift was our Golden Turmeric, and this one is an anti-inflammatory. So if you have issues with those joints or with just not feeling like your body is moving the way you want it to, this is a great supplement to use. You just use, I think it's a half a teaspoon. Yeah, half a teaspoon per, you can put it into golden milk as a recipe that's available online, and I like to just put it into my shake mix because for me it's just the easiest way to get everything in. Also a freebie, our Luscious Lemon Blend, and this one is a member favorite. It's the basis for our Luscious Lemon hand soap, our hand cream, and various other products you'll find this in. And this one is wonderful for springtime for your diffuser. It just keeps everything smelling fresh. And of course, fresh to me equates to clean. I also got a bonus, and this is our Loyalty Blend. This was specially formulated by our founder, Gary D. Young, and Loyalty is an oil that you can only get through participating on the Loyalty Rewards, and it's gifted to you every 12 months. So I am very blessed to have this because I love putting this into my shower gel. I think it's just a great smell, and it reminds me of, just thinking about Gary and all that he did for us. So that is my freebie for that. I also got a order through, I talked to you before about my professional account. Ooh, things moving around. For my professional account, and those are no longer available. Mine is grandfathered in, so maybe in the future they'll open that up again, but basically it's because you resale products and you're able as a professional to get a 40% discount off of the prices as opposed to the 24% off as a member. So then I can turn around and sell it for retail. So this is a product that's going to a customer, and this is our dishwashing powder. And I wish I could open it up, but since it's not mine, such a small little, I'm getting here to the scoop, such a small scoop, such a small amount that we use. And this one doesn't have any of those nasty, harmful, harsh toxins and chemicals that we find in so many of the over-the-counter or big box store options. So this is Thieves dishwashing powder. That's going to a customer. Charcoal bar soap. This one's going to my husband. And then for another customer, I have got quite a few oils here for her. Let's see. There's another one buried in there, but you'll have to trust me. There's 2 lemons. Oh, there's the other lemon. A thyme and an aroma seeds. These are some of our staple oils, I'm going to say. Lemon, if you've not used it as an application in your home, it's fantastic as a degreaser. When you get those labels that won't come off, just a little bit of lemon is going to do the trick. And then our Vitality line of lemon, that's the white labels. Even though it's the exact same thing in the bottles, they are, one's labeled for internal use and one is, or digestive use, and the other is labeled for aromatic and topical use. So you can imagine if this will degrease those labels, what would the Vitality line do if you put a drop in your water for your internal system? Love, love, love lemon in my water, Lemon Vitality. Aroma Seas, this one, so often I get leg cramps, especially if I have walked barefoot on the stone floors or I've done too many hours in high heels. This one is what I turn to so that I don't get those leg cramps overnight. It works fantastic. My granddaughter uses it too because she's got growing pains. And thyme, what can't you say about thyme? None of us have enough of it, okay? But in this application, we use thyme as one of those oils that is just anti-everything. So love, love, love that. And then we've got, for another client, Progessence Plus. This is our hormonal support for women. And we've got Longevity. I'm not going to lie, this one's for me. Longevity is in a capsule form, and it's combination of lemongrass and, oh, what else is in it? I always forget. Thyme is in there. Sorry, I don't have glasses on, and this is itty bitty teeny tiny print, so you'll have to just look at the listing online to see what else is in there. And then we have got some more supplements. We have got Illuminize. Let's see, 2 of those. Illuminize blocks those harmful blue rays. And then we have Super Cow Plus. This one is to help support healthy joints and bones. And Agiles is also in support for our healthy bones. This one is primarily, I'm using this as a vitamin D supplement for to maintain, so that I'm prone to osteoporosis. So I want to make sure I support that. And then I have some Copaiba for a client, 1 volumizing shampoo, and another one for me, and a moisturizing conditioner for her. And then the last thing in this order is 2 boxes of Master Formula. Master Formula is our multi-spectrum vitamin, and just travel packets are so handy for me again. It comes individually packed. You can just put it in your bag and you're good to go. And this really does give you all the nutrients that you need on a daily basis to support overall health. And then we have some of the specialty products that I've shared with you. So I believe that is everything in my lineup today. Thank you for joining me. And I can't wait to see you for, I can't believe I'm even saying this, our April unbox, or yeah, it will be our April unboxing. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.